Here's a 2015 Honda CR-V. With a remarkably responsive and fun driving experience, this is an astoundingly efficient SUV. Its EcoAssist and Earth Dreams technology makes sure of that. It also makes sure each journey is a safe one, with Stability Assist with motion adaptive EPS, smart vent side airbags, and a multi-angle rear view camera. Fire up the push-button start and say the command with Bluetooth hands-free link, and you're off on another adventure.
It comes with a navigation system to easily guide you to your destination. The climate control lets you set the temperature exactly where you want it. Program garage door openers, gates, and lighting systems with HomeLink.
Keep moving, keep exploring, keep doing. Get behind the wheel of the CR-V today.
Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg is a great place to buy a car. At Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg, conveniently located at 60 South Gateway Drive in Fredericksburg.